This is one of the car's party tricks. I've got a tunnel and oh, there we go. It always puts a smile on your face. It might be 5:25 in the morning, it's dark, but this car, fantastic. So here we go, we've been parked up in the Goodwood car park for about the past 15-20 minutes. It's just coming up 7 o'clock, so we're all heading over, we're just being marshalled in. It's a bit of an Bath and Mini takeover at the moment, and surprisingly I've seen another, I think 4 i30ns, which I was quite surprised at, but they are fantastic cars. So we're going to head on over. But what a view at the moment, what a car park. It's absolutely fantastic. So we're going to head on over now. So we're heading under the tunnel and we're going to be put somewhere. Not sure where that is at the moment, but it's another tunnel. This thing, I think it's built for this really. It sounds absolutely fantastic. Got plenty of other cars around us with noisy exhaust as well. We've got a rather tasty looking RS3 in front of us. Oh, how childish, but what fun. Nearly over the other side now, so we're gonna go and find somewhere to park up and we're gonna have a look around. Obviously I'm here in this i30n, absolutely love this car at the moment, but let's have a look around some of the other cars that are on show today. It's taken about 25 minutes to get into the inner paddock and I've parked up the i30n just here. We've got a VRX next to us, so I'm in good company. Got an RS3 up that way, we've got another RS3 that way, so we're going to have a good look around. There are a bit of a Fiat 500 takeover that side. We're going to have a good look around here. There's some amazing stuff, brand new stuff like the i30. I think this is probably the newest car I've actually seen at the moment, but there's a whole range over this way. We've got a bit of an icon from when I was growing up, not that I'm showing my age here. This, it looks so small in comparison now. This is the 205 GTI. Absolutely hankered after one of them when I was growing up. I'm looking at it now, look how, well, it's absolutely minuscule. It proves how big hot hatches have actually grown physically in size and also power. So we're going to have a good look around. Oh, another one there. Got a Clio 182, had one of these, well, had the 172. And got another 182 there, so should be an absolutely fantastic day. So we're going to have a good walk around, head out onto the main straight, and we're going to see what cars are actually showing here. One springs to mind, that's the Volkswagen Golf GTI, and we've got one just behind me. That's actually the Club Sport edition, and that's really the nearest competitor we've got to the i30n performance. I think it looks looks really good. It's quite subtle. There are lots of similarities between this and the i30n styling wise. It's not a million miles away, to be honest. Performance wise, it is actually a bit slower than the i30n, but the interior on it looks great, and I think that would make a great daily car. Another couple of cars which are direct competitors to the i30n are just behind me. We've got the yellow Megane RS and the rather legendary beast that is the Focus RS. That's four-wheel drive, over 300 brake horsepower. Bit of an incredible bit of kit. What do you guys think out of those two? Would you rather have the Megane or the Focus? It's a bit of a difficult one to make your mind up on that. This is the Honda Civic Type R, and it's completely opposite to the i30n in terms of styling. This is so over the top, but I really like it, to be honest. We've got this huge wing. Down the bottom you can see we've got these two huge exhausts as well. It's completely mental, this thing. I haven't driven one just yet, but it's on my list of things to do to bring a review to you guys of this thing. Absolutely fantastic. So we've had a look around most of the event and seen the other sort of latest competitors. We've got the Megane RS, we've also got the Civic, we've got the Ford Focus, we've got the Golf GTI, and then obviously the i30n. Put your comments down below of which one you think is the best car. I'm actually going to head back to my car now and head on home. It's not a bad thing really. I've got this fantastic hot hatch to drive home in. There's some lovely twisty country roads all over the place. So I'm going to head back to the inner paddock part of the track. Got my key, and then we're going to head off back to sunny East Sussex. Absolutely fantastic breakfast meat. I really enjoyed that, and hopefully you guys did as well. Unfortunately, I've got to drop this car back to Hyundai in Tunbridge Wells, but not yet. I've got it for another 3 hours, so I might have to take a slight detour. Well, possibly a 50-mile detour. There are some amazing roads around here, and I want to put this thing in N mode, find these little country roads and have some fun. This thing is fantastic. That's where it's supposed to be. So let's go and find these roads, let's have some fun, and let's see what's this car capable of. Basically a perfect Sunday for me. It would be fascinating to know, what was your favourite hot hatch? Just put it in the comments down below. And on that note guys, I'm going to call this video to a close. Again, I want to say a massive thank you to Hyundai and Tunbridge Wells for lending me this car. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comments are always welcome, and remember to click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.